Okay, so how to draw a 3/4 point of view. First, you draw the circle, okay? Now this circle does not matter, okay? Now there's a reason I say that, okay? Maybe I'll say maybe I'll tell a story time. Maybe. But yeah, so you draw a circle and then you draw a line 3/4, okay? If you guys know what 3/4 is, like that, okay? Whichever direction you want it to be facing, you can have it facing this way, or you can have it facing that way. It doesn't matter. But if you're left-handed, it would be easier to draw facing this way. It would be easier drawing facing this way if you're left-handed, but it would be easier to draw facing this way if you're right-handed. That's why I'm drawing facing towards this way. This is one of my favorite ways to like draw a photo. Now some people mark where the ear goes, but I don't do that. Yeah, so that's where the ear would go, and then that's where like the jaw would go, I guess. But I don't really do that. So once you have that, lower the opacity, whatever, or if you're doing traditional, erase the circle a little bit, okay, because this circle does not matter, okay? Do not put your time and effort into this circle. So once you do that, draw the face. Now depending on your art style, you can put a cheek there or not. So if you want to draw it, hold on, let me duplicate this real quick, because we're gonna be doing two different, like, you know, we'll do two different, okay? We'll do two different, you know, two different types of art styles, I guess. I don't really know. Anyways, adding them into folders so I do not get this mixed up. Okay, so yeah, so you can draw it like this, and then you add the chin. Okay, you can add, see right here is the cheek. You see how it goes inwards and then it pops out like that. It goes in and then it goes out. Okay, you can do that, or you can do this. You can just go straight down and then just boom, okay? I do both of these. It really depends on, like, you know, depending on what I'm drawing, actually. But recently I've just been drawing, you know, straight down. I'll show that to you guys later. So first, I'll show you the first method. So what you want to do is draw a line here, and then have it go ever so slightly out, and then go back in. Okay? Like that. See how it goes in, and then it goes out. Boom. Okay? Okay, I actually don't like how it goes all the way. So I like how it looks now. See, it goes in, and then out. Okay. So then, what you want to do is draw the chin. Now, you just want to draw the chin like that. Oh wait, hold on. Okay. Hold on. Okay, you want to go all the way down. Okay. Want to go all the way down. Hold on. Okay. So you want to go all the way down and put the chin. And then just boom, just like that. Make the chin just like that. And then add the ear kind of like slanted, you know? Again, you can use, you know, flip the page, flip your paper, whatever. Flip the canvas, okay? Flip it, see if it looks good. Okay, oh yeah, add an ear here. I just like adding the ears on the other side because it just looks so cute. Okay. Now just add the neck. So just, you put the ear here, Yeah. Do that. Move the ear over if you know, need to. I would just erase it and then redo it, but I don't feel like doing that. So yeah, if you're drawing on paper, erase it, you know, redo it. But if it doesn't look bad, then you don't really have to do that. So then you just want to add the neck. Now depending on your art style, I mean, the neck could be whatever. It doesn't have to be too skinny, too thick, whatever. Okay. Yeah, if you would know how to draw girls, then you know, you could do that same. But the thing about girl characters is that they wouldn't have like a chin and like a jawline type thing. You know, it'd be more like this. It would be more, yeah, it'd be more like this rather than like, you know, it would be more and it wouldn't be so angular. Okay, yeah. Never said what app I was using. I'm using IBIS Paint. So on to the next art style, or like an art style that I feel like I would use. Yeah. So which one do is just go straight down and then just go like straight down. That's it. See, there's no, it just goes boom, boom. Okay, just sharp, boom, just like that. Now this one was more curvy, and this one is more angular. Boom, boom. Okay. Yeah. So you want to go like that, and then go like that. Okay. See, look. It's more like I don't know how to explain it. I actually don't know how to explain it. It's more sharp, I guess. More kawaii, ooh woo. Anyways, so yeah. Just want to do the ears again. Yeah. So I actually have two different art styles. I have like this chibi type of art style. Each of the different stories that I created each have a different art style. Specifically, I don't know, because it fits the vibe, I guess. Not really, but you know, it really depends. Oh, that's what I did wrong about this one. The neck is supposed to go all the way here, but the neck is... Okay, I'll fix that later. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay. So... Oh, this one kind of looks like they're turning back. Let me see. Yeah, sure. This one will be turning back. If anyone can see what I'm seeing. Yeah. Yeah, and that's how I draw 3/4 point of view.